Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's LEGO Robotics. In today's video, I have a Spike Prime build for you guys. It is the Spike Prime Catapult. I was gonna make the EV3 one, but I was just missing some pieces, so I have the full Spike Prime kit. So I thought, hey, why don't we give this a shot? So in this video, I'm gonna show you basically the easy design build for this, and this was not my design. And I'm also just going to show you some really fun tricks that you can do with this catapult. So if you want to see that, stay with me.
Hino, LEGO Robotics.
Oh yeah. Okay guys, so a little bit of just catching up to do. I am in Maryville, Tennessee. We're about 3 hours east of Nashville. And I'm loving Spike Prime. You know, in my class, that's what we're doing. My second grade class are doing all Spike Prime. We have 12 kits, so that's enough for 2 students each. And it's just, you know, it's just amazing to just see what different things you can build. So today what I want to do is just take a quick look at this. I wanted to kind of pattern this after the EV3 Catapult. It's not using a lot of tension. It's just using these motors, but it still has the same effects. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Okay, so this was a relatively easy build. We just have the giant platform here from the Spike Prime, and then we just have these 2 motors. Actually, this is the motor that's doing the whole catapult. This one's just holding this. I added on some wheels here. I guess I could have added more, but it just depends on how big you make the actual arm of the catapult. Obviously, the longer you make it, the more whipping action it's going to have, but you also have to take note that it's going to cause, you know, it's going to cause it to hold a lot less weight, just because if you extend this out, it's just going to make it heavier. So what's really neat is, let me just kind of run this program here. I was running 0. And so I just put this down here, and and it'll flip that out. And so again, this is just going to help pull the arm down a little quicker with more force and launch whatever you have here. I'm going to be launching some gears, so I just made this here so I can stick the gear inside there. I actually borrowed the 40-tooth gear from the EV3. And then, you know, you can just modify this however you want. You know, for some of you that might want more of a whipping action, can, you know, create some type of nesting here where it allows you to just cup whatever you're throwing and, you know, be able to throw it with more force. But that's it right there. That's the program. And you just get that whipping action there. So, you know, you can put, you know, a gear inside here and flip that pretty easily. Or you can flip, you know, whatever you want, as long as it's not too heavy. And that's when you're going to have to play around with the program. I have this on for 100% for 80 degrees, and that's just going to, it gives me enough to just have that flip over there. So there you go. So let's go ahead and go to the fun things that I was flipping with this catapult. Okay guys, so again, there you go, the Spike Prime Catapult. You can, change up the arm here, for whatever you might be trying to toss. I modified this so that it could hold those gears, but you can modify this to hold whatever you want. It's just going to take some ingenuity here. And again, I put this on here just for a little bit of more strength to pull this arm up, because it has just a capability of holding so much. So you want to give this arm as much help as you can. So hopefully you guys like this build. It was just quick and easy, and it just did the trick of being able to toss some things up into the air and across the room. So hopefully you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Mr. Hino with Miss Hino's LEGO Robotics. I am out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also, because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.